So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can share the internet via USB tethering from your smartphone to PC. So all you have to do is to open the settings of your smartphone. Once you open the settings, you need to find an option of connection and sharing. You can see it's just right there. It may be named some other in some other devices. You need to find an option of network, or it may be named something else also. Once you click on it, you need to you'll see an option of USB tethering. Currently it is deactivated because I haven't connected my device via USB to any PC. Once you connect your device to your PC via USB, the option is enabled, and you need to just enable this option in order to use the internet from your smartphone to PC. You can search the USB tethering option on the search bar of your settings if you won't able to find the option. So that's a very convenient method to share your smartphone internet to PC. That's a very interesting and quick video for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such interesting, quick and informative tutorials.